So after installing the package here, we are going to get our hands dirty with all the operations which are related to the OS library, which will be helpful for us in the upcoming analysis video. So in first step, we have to import the packages which we are going to use. So the first package we are going to import is our OS module or OS package. This is the only package we are going to use now. So you can see the change of colors here. It is because of the system commands here, and OS is also a very important library here, because it by using the OS library you can interact with the operating system by using the Python. You can rename different folders, you can access the directories, you can basically do everything which are related to the operating system. And this thing is very important when you have to create your data set, and then you have to divide it, and you have to take some data sets from one location and transfer it to the other location. So we will see all these commands in these lecture videos. So first of all, you have to import the OS library. So after importing it, if this green sign is appeared here, it means it is correct. So after it, we have some operations here, and in this lecture we will see some directory operations here. So the first directory operation here is to see in which directory we are here now. So in order to find out the directory in which we are now, so first of all we have to write the name of a package which we have imported, then we have to add the dot. Okay, so after writing a dot here, what we can write here, this is basically get cwd, which basically stands for get current working directory, and then as this is a method, we can write these two brackets here. Okay, so after running it, we can get the directory in which we are currently working. Okay, so that is the directory in which we have been working. There is one other very important command here, if we can write it here, and that is related to the operations of the OS. If we want to see all the operations which are related to the OS library, we can just write this dir command, and after dir command we can write the name of the package which we are using. So after running it, we can see all the operations which are available in this package. Okay, we are not going to use all of these packages, but we will go through all these commands, but we will go through all these methods which will be handy for us in our upcoming analysis problems. Okay, so now this is my current working directory, and if I want to change the directory in which I am going to work, there is another command in OS which is called chdir. Okay, so after writing dot here, I can also see here that another chdir is also appeared here, and I can write here the path in which I have to change my directory. So let me call this path, let me change it to this path. Okay, after these inverted commas, and this will be the my path. So you can see that after running it, I am getting some error here. What is that error? So in writing commands or writing paths in Python, you have to use the / command. Okay, so if you are using the / command, or if you are using this / command, what you have to do, you have to use the double / commands here. Okay, I don't know why is this not working. Okay, in my computer this / is not working, so let me copy it. Okay, and okay, so now when I will run it, I can see here that my directory is now changed into this one. And how can I see that what is my directory now? I can again use the same command, os.get current working directory, and I can see that the directory has been changed from this path into the path which I have given it. Okay, so that is the directory. Similarly, there is another command here which can show me all the available data, or list me all the available files in the directory, okay, or in the path. So that command is basically os.list dir. Okay, so if I want to print it, I can print it from this side. Okay, so let me print it, and I can see that I have here basically 3 files which are stored in list here. The same files can be stored in a list here in, let me call it ss, and when I'll os dot list dir. Okay, so when I will run it, it will be stored into this one. And similarly for I in range, or for I in ss, print I. Okay, so I can see here that these are all the files. So the names of all the files have been saved into another list which can be accessed by using this for loop. And you can see the you can also imagine all the possible applications of storing the file names in a list and then changing it. So that are the directory operations of the OS. Okay, after it we will discuss all the folder operations of the OS library. Thank you so much.